They say if a good girl is crying, no, you should never ask why. 'Cause it only makes it harder to fit in. And you should be happy, excited, even if you're just invited. 'Cause the winners need someone to clap for them. It's so hard just waiting in the line that never moves. It's time to start making your own rules. So you scream until there's nothing left with your last breath. 'Cause here I am. Make a mistake, 'cause there's no way you'll be ignored. Not anymore. So here I am. Here I am. Here I am.